days, last seen in the area of the 100 block of 4th Street in Jupiter, Florida, who was last seen wearing a black hooded sweater, a black and yellow t-shirt, light blue jeans with rips, and black high-top Adidas shoes. The child may be in the company of Oliver Ramos, a white Hispanic male, 5 feet 7 inches tall, brown hair and brown eyes, who was last seen wearing a wide long-sleeved Hollister shirt with blue sleeves with rips, black socks, and black and gold sandals. They may be traveling in a dark-colored minivan with tinted windows. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Jupiter Police Department at 561-799-445 or 911.